Inshallah, today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Arabic language. How to introduce yourself in Arabic language. And let's start. Let's see its construction. For example, how to say, hello, my name is, and you add your name. Nice to meet you. How to say this expression in Arabic language. Look, we first say, marhaban ismi. And then you add your name here. Marhaban and hello, my name is, and then you add your name. Marhaban ismi, and then you say Sa'idun biliqa'ika. If you are male, if you are a man or a boy, you say Sa'idun biliqa'ik. It means nice to meet you. Sa'idun biliqa'ik. And if you are a female, you say Sa'idatun biliqa'ik. Sa'idatun biliqa'ik. If you are a girl or you are a woman, you say Sa'idatun biliqa'ik. So if you want to introduce yourself, you first say marhaban, hello, and then ismi, you say your name, my name, ismi, and then you add your name here, and Sa'idun biliqa'ik. Sa'idun, nice or happy to meet you, biliqa'ik. Or you say, if you are a woman or a girl, you say Sa'idatun biliqa'ik. Sa'idatun biliqa'ik if you are a girl. And let's see example. Here, look. Hello, my name is Salah. Nice to meet you. We want to do that in Arabic language. We want to translate it to Arabic language. Look. مرحبا اسمي صلاح سعيد بلقائك. مرحبا اسمي صلاح سعيد بلقائك. Please repeat after me. مرحبا اسمي صلاح سعيد بلقائك. And let's see how to replace this. Okay, you relay. Hello Salah. Hello Salah. My name is Anas. Nice to meet you too. Okay, we'll say like that. مرحبا بك يا صلاح. Hello صلاح. مرحبا بك يا صلاح. اسمي أنس. My name is Anas. سعيد بلقائك أيضا. Nice to meet you too. سعيد بلقائك أيضا. So you will reply like that. مرحبا بك يا صلاح. اسمي أنس. My name is Anas. سعيد بلقائك أيضا. Nice to meet you too. Let's see the female. Okay. Hello. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Okay, how to do that? Okay, as we talk in the construction. مرحبا اسمي سارة سعيدة بلقائك. سعيدة بلقائك. Here, سعيدة because she is a girl. So she says سعيدة بلقائك. Nice to meet you. مرحبا اسمي سارة سعيدة بلقائك. Okay, let's see how to replay. Hello Sarah. My name is Lena. Nice to meet you too. مرحبا بك يا سارة. اسمي لينا. سعيدة بلقائك. مرحبا بك. Here we say بك because she is a girl. مرحبا بك يا سارة. اسمي لينا. My name is Lena. سعيدة بلقائك. Happy to meet you too. أيضا. Happy to meet you too. مرحبا بك يا سارة. اسمي لينا. سعيدة بلقائك أيضا. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope you will like this lesson and I hope it's benefit for you. If you have any question, please write it in the comment.